Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to use AgilePoint's portal announcement mechanism to publish custom announcements to your user base. Every system administrator at some point of time needs to make few key announcements to the entire user base. Today, most system admins make use of emails or company announcement systems to send some such notifications, but there are very high chances that users do not pay attention to such notifications. It is better to show notifications to the users in the system where they work most of their day. AgilePoint NX Portal is one such system. For those of you who are already familiar with AgilePoint NX on-demand portal, it does have an announcement mechanism which is used by the product team to push new release announcements. There was a wishlist feature from some of our clients to enable the same announcement mechanism in AgilePoint NX portal for their system admins to use for custom announcements. With AgilePoint NX 7.0 software update 2, we are opening this feature for system admins to push custom announcements to the users who log on to AgilePoint portal. Please note that there is already a better mechanism to announce system downtime, which I covered in one of my previous blog posts. So if you go to my blog and see, there is an article which already shows that how you can show a system downtime, upcoming system downtime notification. However, using this feature, you can make any kind of announcement and not just the system downtime announcement. Please note that this feature is only enabled in AgilePoint NX on-premises or private cloud at this moment. For on-demand customers who are using a shared environment hosted by AgilePoint, announcements are managed by AgilePoint IT team. So I'm going to navigate to one of my portals. So as you can see, this is installed on my local machine over here. But before I show you how to use this feature, we are going to go to the path where AgilePoint is installed, C Program Files, AgilePoint, AgilePoint Web Application, and under that there would be a folder called AgilePoint Portal. Open your web.config. This is something which we will configure one time. Go to Settings, go to Tenant Settings. And you can see what is the name of your tenant. Now by default, an on-premise or private cloud installation always is called default tenant, but in case you have changed it, you have to just specify that in the config file. So if you see, there is a setting over here called default tenant name. I just copy and paste the value from my browser over here, which is already done. The next setting which I have to specify is what is the default username to access the announcement page. This is a new setting. By default, this is blank. I have specified my username over here because I'm using a local installation. I can specify multiple users, which can be semicolon delimited. Now with those set, I can go back into my portal. Only the person whose name is available in that web.config can use this feature. Because it was my name, I can type it. So there is a hidden URL. Once I click on it, it says there is no announcements which exists at this point of time. I'm going to say I want to create a new announcement. And as you can see right now, there is no announcements. If I click on it, there's nothing. But I'm going to create a new one. So I'm going to just copy and paste. I'll say this is in published status. I can have a announcement in draft, archived, or published status. Submitted by me. And I can put the announcement. For example, say one of my apps is being deprecated and a new app is coming up and there is a pilot program running on it. So I'm going to just push an announcement for this. Go ahead and click create. The moment I do that, you see there has been a new announcement notification over here. And if I click on it, that starts showing up. So this way I can push custom announcements to my user base. Now at any point of time, I can of course go back and edit it or delete it as well. So as you can see, I deleted it now. Thanks a lot for your time.